If na Ruud Van Nistelrooy dey Man U, if for win Nottingham Forest against Arsenal, if for win or draw Arsenal, if na him, if for do this one, bro, they no dey judge football like that o. Football, they no dey judge am o. I watch Arsenal match yesterday with Liverpool match. I no even know say Leicester even play ball yesterday. I no know say Leicester even dey play ball yesterday, but I know say people wey dey call Newcastle United just dey wire people 4-0. I no know say Leicester play. I don tell una before, any coach fit fuck up at any time, because a lot of people just dey wait make they just dey see the performance of Leicester, make they take am dey mock Ruud Amorim. Coach fit fuck up at any time. Why I dey tell una say if Ruud Van Nistelrooy dey for Manchester United till now, by now wetin mind for the pass through, e for still be the same thing. Una say na lie dey lie. Leicester win, draw one match. People talk say this guy Ruud Van Nistelrooy never still lose any match o. He still dey play unbeaten o. Why person dey call Ruud Amorim don lose 2 matches for Man United? Bros, football no be how una think am. If Ruud Amorim dey Sporting CPT now, by now wetin dey pass through, is likely say they go see pass through am. That means losing straight matches is likely say they are going to do it. If Pep Guardiola decide to leave Man City at the end of the season, they go bring one new coach come. A lot of Manchester City fans by now, they for don dey miss Pep Guardiola. This is football for you, bro. Anything fit happen. No dey talk say this coach we do this one, we do that one. I know say coach get many advantages wey be say they carry dey come a team, but when a team begin dey fuck up, no talk say na one coach wey be say this one suppose to dey, na him suppose to help them. When Man United begin dey underperform for the last 2 matches against Arsenal and against Nottingham Forest, where they drop like 6 points, people begin dey complain say, if na Ruud Van Nistelrooy, you know be Ruud Van Nistelrooy, you know see the way he handle Man United boys, you know see the one wey do this one. Bros, any coach wey handle Man United that time, where Ruud Van Nistelrooy dey for Man United, those boys will still do the same thing. Those boys, they will still do the same thing. They sack Potter from Chelsea. Chelsea next match was Liverpool match. They go bring one guy come, whether na Santos, that be the guy name, or Bolo with his empty hair against Liverpool. This guy carry Chelsea, where they sack Potter play Liverpool. Wait now, tell Nana be say, if na anybody carry Chelsea that time when they sack the coach, they will still play Liverpool 0-0. They will draw with Liverpool. But if na Potter did that time, the boy will lose the match. Any club where sack coach, that is how they retaliate. They come out to play with their mind, say, this coach wey they sack, no be say we no good. That is how they come. So sometimes when we say man begin to underperform, some people go just come, they say, if na Ruud Van Nistelrooy, man you do mistake by doing this. Bros, the club were after the future and not the present. Because when Ruud Van Nistelrooy come, it just be like Carrick that time. Because if you remember Carrick when take charge of Man United, the same thing where Ruud Van Nistelrooy do, now he do just that Carrick own, it just be like 2 matches. You know what it means? To win Valencia, to play against some people like that, even Liverpool that time itself, I think Carrick even win the match. So that is it. Any coach, any club exercise coach, the player will put body in the play ball when they bring new coaches come. And that is the same to what Leicester do that time. What Leicester do against Brighton, from 2-0 down for their own house against Brighton. And some people sit and look for excuses. They will talk say, this one why they talk like this now. So you want to tell me now say Newcastle United, I be Leicester are the same thing with Newcastle United. I know say not be the same thing. But Leicester as it stand, when they get better coach now, when he be saying an attacker, now it's a big build. At least if you don't just one kind thing, they're supposed to even score 1 goal. So no they talk say football na like how you take am. So some people go just dey wait. If man you just go draw, lose, they will say, keep Ruud Amorim. You see what they do this one? See they take polish the Man United boys. They play against Chelsea, they no lose. There is no coach where you go pull like that when say they no go do something. At that moment, when Man United sack the coach that time, Erik ten Hag that time, there is nobody you will bring in Man United when they go do anything. Person that's an assistant coach for Man U. During the time of assistant coach, Man United do they score goal, then they pass through some kind of things. Then they bring another coach come where to say you just want to build Man United with different people. They talk say why they no keep Ruud Van Nistelrooy. What will it? Wetin go change? If you don't do anything as assistant coach for under Erik ten Hag, now during Ruud Amorim the team won't come work out. So all this thing football is not like that, bro. So ladies and gentlemen, I dey surprised to even see say Newcastle even beat Leicester City 4-0. Na even person even tell me that comment section. That is to show say I no even dey mind their game. Make some people no talk say they look for their downfall. So ladies and gentlemen, how na even see concerning this whole thing, because I believe I have convinced you and not to confuse you. For now, we move.